Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Do you know that you can actually make some dollars using this live stream app called Poppo? Alright, I'm going to take you through on how to do this. Alright, so I'm going to head over to the Poppo live app, which is this app here. So I'm going to open it. So as a newcomer, as a new person, you're going to click on the link on my bio to download this app. So once you download the app, what you're going to do is to sign in with um either Google or Facebook. All right. So after signing in, you're going to input your information and you do your face authentication. All right. So after your face authentication, but make sure that when you want to do your face authentication, make sure you stay in a very lighted environment where there is light, where there is enough light. All right. Then when you're asked to put your picture, make sure you put the picture of your raw face so that the authentication will not fail. Because when you put picture that is different from your real face, your authentication will not work. So snap your natural face and use as your picture. Then afterwards you can now change it. Alright. Now after that you're going to wait for like 30 minutes to be authenticated, and you're supposed to use female face for authentication. Note, face authentication is not done by a male face. Alright, you're supposed to use female for face authentication. So if you use male face, you cannot go live until you get to level 5. Alright, but if it is female, you can go live after your authentication. So after your authentication, what you're going to do is to open the app. You're going to see this place, the root live. You're going to click there. So once you click there, you go live. All right. So you're going to click this place live. All right. So this is night. You're going to click on this live. You go live. Because now it's night. Okay guys, it's already nice, so you cannot send me. Alright, so this is how the interface look like. You're going to go live for 2 hours as a beginner, as a new person in the app. You're going to go out after the first hour. You're going to claim your points, and you do the second hour and claim your points. So I'm going to tell you how you're going to claim your points. You look at this three dot down here. That is where you're going to that's where you're going to get notified. You're going to see a red dot there, so you click on that and it will take you to this interface where you click on message. So once you click on message, it will take you to the next place, which you will see congratulations something something something. You click on that congratulations. Once you click there, you go and click on go to receive. Once you click there, you're going to see your reward and you click on receive. All right, once you click on receive, you do your second hour, so you're going to get higher points as a new person in the app. Right, so what you're going to do basically is to maybe you can do it 30 minutes interval, but make sure that whatever you're doing, whichever time you start, make sure you finish and claim your points before 5 p.m. in the evening, because once it is 5 p.m., there's the time reset. That is, they have entered in a new day. So once you don't claim your point and it is 5 p.m., your points will vanish. All right. So anything you're doing, make sure you are true before 5 and claim your points. All right. So that your efforts will not be wasted. So once you're done, you claim your points, and that is that for life. So there are a lot of things to explain about this app. So I'm going to be taking them one after the other. So maybe in my next video, I'm going to show you the party, how the party goes, how the party works. All right. So without saying further thing for now, I'm going to stop here. So I'll see you on my next one. Bye.